Hey everyone, how's it going? Today I'm gonna tell you guys how to recover Stumble Guys account. As you can see, if you are either with Scopely, Google Play or your Facebook profile, all you need to do is head over to settings and then connect your Scopely ID. If it was with Google Play, then select like Google and then connect. Same thing with Facebook. But if it wasn't connected with any of them, then what you need to do is head over to their support web page, which will look like this, and whatever your issue was, if it was on Android or iOS, you'll just select that. From there, this is the chat widget and you need to tell them, hey, I had a Stumble Guys account, but it wasn't linked to any platform. Can you help me recover it, please? And then hit enter. And from there, someone will reach out to you. As you can see, what is your email address, so you need to type it and give them as much information as you can, and they'll also try it from their level best to get it. And this is the only way how you can do it. Thanks for watching. Please leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials like this, and I'll see you guys in the next one.